Meet the Platypus Quickdraw microfilter system. Out of the box, the filter cartridge requires no assembly. Its component parts are the cartridge, the dirty side cover, and the attached clean side cap. That's it. The Quickdraw's 0.2 micron hollow fiber cartridge removes 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.9% of protozoa from backcountry water in accordance with the NSF P231 protocols. It does so with a flow rate of up to 3 liters a minute or a liter in about 20 seconds. Moving to the outside, the overmold on the cartridge is made of a thermoplastic elastomer or TPE. TPE is soft to the touch and grippy even when wet without being sticky. So it won't pick up dirt and it easily slides in and out of pockets in a pack. As we surveyed the market, the need for a quality dirty side cap became apparent. We designed a cap that creates a reliable seal and is durable enough to withstand constant use without adding unnecessary weight. By preventing any seepage, it ensures dirty water cannot contaminate the clean side or other belongings. We took the sturdy flip-to-open cap design from our Duo-Lock bottle and put it on the Quickdraw. The cap shuts securely to prevent dirt and grime from getting on the spout and flips open for easy filtering and drinking access. Plus, you won't lose it. The spout design was informed by our deep experience in the bottle category, as well as our experience in high-capacity group filtration. The spout's optimized for drinking directly from the filter without sacrificing performance when sharing the filter with others. In the real world, personal filters are often used to meet group needs. The spout is sized to comfortably nest in the popular bottles like Smart Water or Evian and creates a directional flow for filtering into wider mouth reservoirs. For the Quickdraw reservoir, we did what we do best, taste-free and durable water storage. It's made of our proprietary tri-layer film that uses a rugged thermoplastic polyurethane outer layer and a taste-free polyethylene inner layer. Nobody else in the personal filter category offers a taste-free and durable reservoir. The Quickdraw reservoir will stand up to daily use for the duration of any long trip. 6 months northbound on the Pacific Crest Trail, no problem. Found the freshest runoff stream in the Dolomites? Taste it the way nature intended without any risk. A huge factor in the user experience of a personal filter is the act of collecting water. Today, personal filters often result in wet hands and dirty reservoirs are hard to fill. Not so with a Quickdraw. We started by putting an extra wide mouth on the reservoir to make it much easier to fill than the leading competition. We also added a convenient handle so users can securely fill a reservoir without getting their hands wet. Whether the water source is flowing or stagnant, it's easy to quickly fill the Quickdraw without getting wet. All right, let's talk weight. The filter plus reservoir system weighs just 3.6 ounces or 101 grams. The filter alone weighs just 2.2 ounces or 61 grams. To filter water, begin by filling up the 1 liter capacity Quickdraw reservoir. Thread the dirty side of the filter cartridge into the reservoir. Once connected, invert the system, position the spout over your clean reservoir and squeeze. You can roll the top down like a dry bag or mash the reservoir to let out a little personal tension. Either method will get you 1 liter of clean water in about 20 seconds. It's about as easy as backcountry water filtration gets. To make it even easier, we designed the filter cartridge so that it's compatible with multiple bottle types. Aside from the Quickdraw reservoir, users will be able to attach it to the Platy soft bottles, the Platy 2 liter, the Platy water tanks, and Platy hosers. We know smart water bottles are a popular ultralight choice on the North American long distance through hikes, so go ahead and attach a smart water bottle to the Quickdraw as well for the same result. The ultralight community loves versatility. Bringing gear that it can accomplish more than one essential function cuts pack weight. The Quickdraw's ability to adapt to pre-existing bottles will eliminate excess for many users. In addition, drinking from its ergonomic drink spout can eliminate the need for a clean reservoir altogether. We were adamant about a simple, functional process that can be repeatedly performed in challenging conditions. To clean the filter and restore higher flow rates, you simply fill your reservoir about 1/4 of the way full, attach the filter, and shake it for 30 seconds. On-the-go filtration demands quick access and storage. Rolling up the filter cartridge in the reservoir creates a compact package that easily slides into external pockets on backpacks or fits in a small nook of space inside a pack. Our team set out to develop a personal filter that will elevate the whole category, to create an affordable filter that offers a fantastic user experience and high-performance technology.
Hi, I'm Chase with EarthPack, here to introduce our original dry bag series. As EarthPack's flagship product, our original bag comes in a variety of sizes from 10 liter to 55 liter. All sizes are great for travel and fit the carry-on allowance for most airlines. The 10 and 20 liter sizes contain a single adjustable shoulder strap that can be worn across the chest or over the shoulder, convenient for those active in open water activities and sports. These sizes are perfect for day trips or carrying your beach essentials. Our 30 to 55 liter sizes can carry a lot more gear and feature padded shoulder straps and a chest strap designed to distribute large loads evenly. A waist belt is also featured on our largest size, the 55 liter. The original dry bag series is constructed with welded, leak-proof seams and 500D PVC material, making it entirely waterproof and resistant to abrasion and punctures. The roll top closure provides leak-proof and airtight protection, stopping all elements from damaging your belongings. Plus, the D-rings allow you to tie down your bag to the side of a raft, boat, or kayak. Our minimalistic design makes this dry bag perfect for any adventure. Pack up and go with our original series dry bags.